Hi guys, in previous lecture we have created FTP server for to take a backup of vCenter server. So vCenter server can be backed up as a file based backup. There are two backup, image based backup and file based backup. So we'll look onto file based backup. For file based backup we need an FTP server. So we had in previous lecture I'll show you we had created FTP server. You can see I'll show you how to access FTP server. So I'll be accessing and I'll show you how it works. So I'll just enter credential and then my credential is this. I have entered the credential. You can see will copy file inside this. So this is the path for us to take a backup. Here we are going to take a backup. So for taking a backup, we'll just click on it. You can see this is the vCenter server and it will show every day backup is done or not. So what we'll do, we'll just schedule a backup. The backup is not scheduled, we'll just click on it. It will open appliance. We'll go to the appliance, which is a Vami console. We logged in. If backup is not configured, we'll directly go and we'll configure. Option is there. We'll just go and it's asking this is asking for the protocol. You can see protocols, server address, port number, and the folder. The server address is this, protocol is this, then we'll go to the IP address 16.0.20 and protocol is 21 and folder is backup. So we'll come forward. This is the username and the username and the credential. I'll show in a previous video. There are two credentials we have added, so we'll use one of that. So we are going to add sys admin. I have added this as a domain admin. So I've added these two also FTP server. So I'll put the credential of it. VMware, okay, and we'll do the daily backup, weekly backup. So we'll keep as a daily at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, you can say night. Every night 3 o'clock it should. Okay, so I'll make it as 3. Okay, and I'll change it to AM and 0. So at 3 AM every day it will be there. If you want to keep encryption, you can. Health check is done. You don't want to retain all backup, you want to keep all, you can. I'm keeping only last 5 backups because we'll always restore on the latest one. So we'll go for the last 5 backup and everything is done now. There is nothing is there. So it will about 195 MB data is there. So we'll just create. So it's done. We have configured it. Encryption is optional. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you don't. We have created. So I'll show you here. You can see. So we have enabled. I'll show you. See daily 3 AM FTP. This is the path where my data is backup is getting backed up. So this is event and all. This is thing done. I'll now back up now. So I'll show you how you can back up. Just click on it, backup now. It will show you the path. Use backup location as the same. Username is this. Then I'll put the password. If it is scheduled, then it won't ask you the password. If you are taking forcefully or on demand, then it will ask you the user credential. So I'll start. So I'll show you the backup will get started. So you can see the backup has been started. So as as you have started, it is about 195%, 195 MB, so it will take time. So I'll pause the video and will back as it gets completed. So guys, you can see it's about 95% is done, so it would complete within a moment. So it's about 95% and data transfer is 249 MB. You can see data also and duration also how much. So see, we have taken a backup of our configuration file. So in case of any problem or your infra goes down or your vCenter gets crashed, then you can restore from this backup file. From this backup you can restore your vCenter as it is. So this is the importance of backup. So you have to take a backup of your vCenter every day. So there are the protocols supported: FTPS, HTTPS, FTP, NFS, SMB, HTTP. Which is yours? Which you want to go? I had gone with FTP. You can go with other also. So we have completed FTP backup. In the next lecture, we are going to see how we can create a data center, how can create a cluster, and how to add host in vCenter. In next lecture, we are going to see. So please be with us, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.